So when we're putting together a multimodal type session, the aim needs to be to create maximum exposure from a cardiorespiratory endurance, from a work capacity point of view. Our aim needs to be to have conflicting exercises which shunt blood from different areas of the body and around different areas of the body. And it's why sessions like thrusters and pull-ups are so painful and so effective, is that you're doing thrusters and the blood is going to your lower body and to your pressing muscles. Just as they start to fatigue, you're then doing pull-ups, which is redistributing the blood from the thruster muscles into the pull-up muscles. So unfortunately, the thruster muscles then get a rest. I say unfortunately because it means that there's no excuse to drop output. There's no excuse to slow down because you're not hitting the wall. You're not limited by the stamina in those muscle groups anymore. And you can do pull-ups, and the pull-ups feel fine in their own right. If we isolate the pull-ups, your ability to do pull-ups is fine, but your ability to create repeated contractions because of what your heart and lungs are doing, because of our work capacity, this suddenly starts to become an issue. The pull-ups start to become difficult. Yeah, they just start to get tough. We just start to get to the limits of your stamina in those pull-up muscles, in that localized muscle group there. And when it happens, you go back to thrusters, which now feel fine in an isolated sense because all those muscles have rested. And we shunt blood between different areas of our body, therefore shooting our heart rate super high, working at thresholds, pushing those thresholds and improving our work capacity.